Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, classmate. This is our report, Region 12, Suksargen Region. Suksargen, it is located in central Mindanao and officially designated Region 6. The regional center is Coronadal City, which is located in the province of South Cotabato. The region has extensive coastline, valley, and mountain range. Cotabato covers the Rio Grande de Mindanao, which is the largest river in Mindanao and the second longest in the Philippines. Four provinces and one city in Subsargen, South Cotabato, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos. Sa Subsargen region, Cotabato front. South Cotabato, capital Coronadal City. Land area 442,246. Major industries, agriculture, livestock trade. Rural cities 1. Town of municipalities 10. North Cotabato, capital, Kadipawan City. Land area 900,890. Major industries, rubber industry, agriculture, textile industry. Cities 1. Town municipalities 17. Sultan Kudarat, capital, Isulan. Land area 529,834. Major industries, agriculture, poultry, fishing, woodcraft, furniture. Number 1 of cities 1. Town of municipalities 11. Sarangani, capital, Alabel 360,125. Major industries, agriculture, fishing, mariculture, livestock. Number 1 of cities 0. Town 7. From Davao Airport. General Santos is the main entry point to the region by air. Major destinations are also accessible by land and sea. By air, General Santos International Airport is the main gateway to the region from various international destinations and domestic flights from Manila, Iloilo, and Cebu. Similarly, Awang Airport in Cotabato City is an alternative for domestic flight from Manila.
By land. Transit to the region from flights arriving in Davao can be made by land through buses that fly the Davao to General Santos route. 3 hours of travel time. In transit to Coronadal City, 45 minutes of travel time. Getting around the common mode of transport service like buses and vans are the mode of transportation that travels to the region's key cities and provinces. The famous yellow bus has daily trips from General Santos to Coronadal City and other neighboring towns. Travel within municipalities is through public utility, tricycles, and motorcycles. Attraction and activities. So, managali ang historical, cultural, and heritage attractions. Like sa South Cotabato, Tibuli Museum, Tibuli Cultural Community, Suralia Cultural Landmark, Tinalok Weaving Center, and ang iya natural attractions is Mount Matutong and Mount Park Rangers like Cebu 7 Caves, Salcak Caves. Kagang iya built attractions dolls, Pineapple, Plantation, Aberia Farms. Range of accommodation. Budget is less than 1,500 per night, mid-range is 1,000 to 3,000 per night, and high-end at least 3,000 per night. So mo sa ang sa mga hotel like sa South Cotabato nga Grand Rio Hotel, Hotel Filipino, Diamond Hotel, Pacific Heights Hotel, City Plaza Hotel, El Manuel Hotel, Azaleas Pension House. Kag ang sa mid-range is Eva's Hotel, Esto, Sun Garden Haute. Food and delicacies. Sa galimamang sa food and delicacies sa South Cotabato, balbakwa, kinlaw, laswa, tilapia, casines. Kagsang sa Cotabato, dragon fruit, pastil, tinagtag, apa, baybay, native chicken, barbecue, and deep fried dalag. Kag sa Sultan Gudarat, fried catfish, marang, and sarangani, tinagtag, tuna poke, and General Santos, grilled tuna, tacos, chicken skin, lechon, and tuna stick. Pasalubong, Soxcardian region. Organic fruit products, passion fruit, durian, pineapple, guyabano, and mangosteen, and etc. Cablon Farm Products, Pasil, Tinagtag, Bocayo Seafood Productions, Tinalak Fabric, Tiboli Bread Works, Kalakat, Malong Trade Items, hats, scarves, household utensils, and more. Water Hyacinth Handicrafts, like keychains, bag, native decorations, and more. And Gelatin Bar, kag antiques. Festival and special events. South Cotabato, Helobong Municipality Festival of Lake, Cebu, November by showcasing 9 to 11. Celebrates the unique the foundation, cultural identity, anniversary, and ethnicity of the Linggong Matutum, March 13 to 20, in celebration of Mount Matutum's declaration as a protected landscape. Kasadyahan as a venue for festival. The Convergence, September of various 1 to 11, ethnic street and dancing cultural competition dances that serves Weaving Tinalak Festival Inalak, July 16 to showcase the pride of South Cotabato. Kulitang Tang Festival, January 27 to showcase the clay pots and ceramics made by local artisans and craftsmen.
Events. South Cotabato, Hilobong Municipality Festival of Lake Cebu, November by showcasing 9/11 celebrates their unique the foundation, cultural and identified anniversary and ethnicity of the Linggong Matutum, March 13, 20. In celebrate of Mount Matutum's declaration as protected landscape, kasadyahan as avenue for festival. The Convergence, September of various 1-11, ethnic street and dancing cultural competition. Dances that serves. Weaving Tinalak Festival, Inalak, July 16 to showcase the pride of South Cotabato, the art of Kulitang Tang Festival, January 27 to showcase the pots and ceramics made by local artisan of craftsmen of Tangan, South Cotabato. Cotabato, Araw ng Cotabato, June 12, 25, commemoration of the city charter anniversary. Halad Santo Niño Festival, 3rd Sunday of January, held in honor of the town's patron, Senior Stony O. Timpupu Festival, annual celebration during the month of August of the city of Kidapawan that features cultural shows, parade of local fruits product, exhibits, and street dancing. Tahiti Festival, August 13 to showcase local products made from Tahiti like soft brooms and various handicraft. Kawayan Festival, its week of December showcase lechon sa Kawayan, bamboo exhibits, cultural shows, and various sports events. Sultan Kudarat, diversity of the Manobos, Tirurais, and Tibulis of Sultan Kudarat. Head covering worn by the setters of Sultan Kudarat. The highlights of the festival are the street dancing competition and the reenactment of the giving of golden kudung by Christian setters to the Sultan Buluan for peace and prosperity. Sarangani. The foundation of the Sarangani province, such to us promote beach sports, the preservation events, water roof, Sarangani by sports, mangrove planting, and coastal clean-ups. Product of Maitom, the bangsif or flying fish. General Santos City. By showcasing its dynamic culture and heritage, showcase and promotes various ecotourism destinations in city. Major cultural groups. The major cultural groups in the region are Blanto, Buli, Taduray, Manobo, and Mangindanawan. Some of these groups are already been discussed in the previous chapter. Cotabato or Sultan Kudarat. The basic culture is dry cultivation of food plants including rice, corn, sugar cane, banana, and root crops. Culture change is in an advanced stage. The groups are organized under a local that has autonomous authority over an area where he has personal influence. Sage position is the hereditary and assumed by the firstborn. Born is in case of death. H. Major industries. The region major industries include agriculture and tuna fishing. General Santos is dubbed as the tuna capital of the Philippines. Agricultural products such as coconut, cassava, coffee, sugar cane, and banana are dominant in Sargent, DTI, and Pointe. Language and dialects. Tibuli, Blan, Cotabato, Manobo, Tagbanwa, Hiligaynon, Maguindanao, Tagalog, and English are used in the region. That's all.